Yes, sorry to all those who are celebrating Navratri, to all my vegetarian friends, and I'm sorry, Pita, but I couldn't help but showing that shot as the first look of this video because the place that we went, this was the star of the vlog. So before I even start saying anything about the vlog, I just wanted to show you the empty streets of Park Street on a Shoshti afternoon. If you have ever been to Kolkata in a Durga Puja, or if you are a Bong, this must be a really saddening picture or a visual. I was so surprised to see Park Street, the busiest place of all, being so empty. You can see that you can count how many people are there. So this was really very saddening for me. So just to give you a background, when we thought of going to Trinkas on a Tuesday afternoon, we made our mind that we have to go a little early because there will be a lot of queue and all. But to our surprise, I'll just show you in the video that it was completely empty. Yes, we have gone there a little early, but it was completely empty and we were the first ones to reach there. To tell you about Trinkas, Trinkas is one of the oldest restaurants and one of the finest restaurants to me because a lot of nostalgia is attached to it. To give you a background, Trinkas is just not one restaurant. There is Trinkas by day, Trinkas by night. There's Ming Room, there's Tavern, there's the other room, and there's also a private banquet. So I'll just give you a small tour of the area and how the restaurant actually looks from outside and the inside. As you can see, the interiors are well made for the Park Street standards, and as for this COVID situation, you will find everything sanitized and all the employees wearing proper masks and everything, and proper sanitization is also used. This place is a completely different place by the night because live music and all are being played there, but in the afternoons it's almost like this. This is a special Pujo menu that they are serving for these 4-5 days. I'll share the links in the description so you can go and check the menus in detail. Well, to go by the tradition, we started off with a Long Island iced tea that was freshly made. And I must say that visiting Park Street without having a Long Island iced tea is incomplete. Well, in starters, we wanted to keep it light, so we ordered some spicy pan-fried bhetki fish. Caution to people who don't want to eat spicy, please stay away from this because this was quite spicy. And to tell you about the quantity, I suppose it's enough for 2 people. And now we finally arrive at the star of our lunch, our entree, the chicken a la Kiev. I suppose I am pronouncing that correctly. It's a Russian dish. The reason why people have it, or the reason why I love to have it, is because of what you are seeing right now in the video. So I won't talk much. You can watch the video and understand. So if I have to tell you why people love it, is because of the molten butter coming out, obviously, and also because it's taste. But if I have to criticize this dish should have been loaded with a lot of veggies, which would have balanced the dish a little bit, which was missing from this dish. Nonetheless, this tasted awesome and we were just craving for more. And this was our last dish. This was lemon buttered prawns. It was a very simple dish, but we just had to have something and try something. So we tried this, and this is also a recommendation because this was very light, as well as the vegetables that you can see on the plate has balanced it rightly. So it's a definite recommendation from me, also including the other two dishes. That's it in this vlog, guys. We had an awesome lunch. If you haven't prepared any plans for the rest of the days of the pujas, please go and visit Trinkas if you haven't, because it will give you a feel of nostalgia as well as the royal heritage of Kolkata. And stay safe and enjoy the rest of the days of the puja. Until the next time, take care of yourself. Bye.